हाय दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इज रवि के इन्फोटेक। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने सीखा था कि हाउ टू कॉन्फ़िगर द स्वैगर्स एंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस. In this video we have learned how to create a APIs, right? And suppose we have add a new APIs, and also we have using a Postman, and how to set up the Postman like this process. And we have click onto the controller. This is a new APIs, like it's a very simple API. We have click onto the controllers and go to the API section, like installed, common, then API. Okay, we have select the empty APIs and click onto the add buttons. Now we have add some name like this. We have a name like employee controllers, right? And click onto the add button. Then easy to we have also created some models. Like suppose we have added one folders, go to the add section and new folders and write some models. Models is useful to the binding the data only. And suppose we have create our models like class, only add a class is name is employee models. And we have received the data and set the data. Model is useful to the process the data is like another controller or another service we have inserting data through the models just for the passing the data only. And suppose we have add uh, employee name, and also we have using a shortcut key is PROP, and press the tab, double tap. Okay, and it automatically create the some structure, and press the control D, automatic add a multiples, right? And suppose we have added strings like employee name. Actually, we have already mentioned the employee, then it's not repeatable. That reason we have remove only name. We have added strings, name, email IDs, strings, address, address, and this that is strings, to name, email ID, address, and remove these extra fields. Right. Then we have created employee models and also using employee models in the employees controllers. Go to the employee controllers and write some code with public action results and mention the date. Only date because already have mentioned like controller name is employee, and yeah, we have mentioned like add, and we have using what is using http get a post. That's it, we have using a post. Suppose we have add any employee details, then we have using the post methods, right? And employee models, we have called employee models and created some object like these models, and written the OKs and models like this. We have some creative structures and is set up some routings like add this. Okay. We have created like once methods like to add a employees. See, and we have also called to the setup and also run the applications is like using the also we have using a Visual Studio 2022, and now run the application, and also this employee controllers in add methods is display into the Swagger, right? Just wait. Now we have enters. Now it's automatically display. Okay, and we have also set some like launch settings. Launch settings is URL is null, and we have application is automatically open the Swagger. Comment this line. Now we have done applications. Now application has been done. So also we have a Swaggers. We have send. Suppose we have add a debug mode. Okay, right. Go to the Swaggers and click on the try and mention some name like Ravi. His email ID is Ravi Tag @dash.com. Address is new. File number, anything like this, and click on to the execute. Then request has been automatically uh, received in the API sections, and we have checked the models, and we have also binding the data like names, mobile numbers, email ID, address. Okay, and then we have click on to the continue. Then Swagger is written the output like this. This is a response in the Swagger, but we try to use in the Postman. So firstly, we have opened the Postman and we have sent the same request through the Postman, how to do and what to do like this. Suppose we have added new collections, click on to the add, mention the name is web API series. We have add one other folders and click onto the uh, three icons like click onto the add a request, and firstly we have add employee details, then change the post methods, mention the name is like as request methods like add a new employee. We have saved it. uh, okay, and API URL, what is the API URL like this is the API URL, and remove the index.html and go to the Swagger. Go to the Swaggers, and this is URL is slash API slash employee slash add slash API slash employee slash add. This is the port method, and header sections we have mentioned like a contain type is application JSON. And go to the body section, go to the row, and if you have mentioned like text like this, then you have select the JSON and select this request and copy paste like this. Done? Not done. And in this Postman, how to set like environment, like environment variable. This is localhost is common in this API series. We have also using a localhost multiple APIs. That's reason we have stored this value in the environment section. Suppose we have create a new environment like this. Click onto the add and mention like a local host and paste it URLs, and the environment name is API environments, right? And okay, now we have called this location and using local host, then close it. We're just using the color backend only two types, and also select the environments is API environments, then is save it, then go to the localhost. Now you have to check the localhost URL like this API slash add. Now we have send a request right? And also we have debugging mode and click onto the send button. Then automatically request has been sent it in the debugger mode. Then go to the model sections. We have show the names like this and click onto the continue. In this postman we have getting a response like this because we have written the models right. Suppose we have changed it fields is test 123 123, right? And click on the send button. Now you have to check the request is it different. Okay, now click on the continue. Then response has been like this, right? Got it. Also we have create some add it like this methods. We have next video we have get to the how to add a new data using the database is SQL servers, right? And let's watch it. This series is the web API series. Also we have working. Also we have set up some Swagger configuration. If you're not watching this video, please watch it and also follow the tutorials. Goodbye. In the next video, may. Thank you.